So guys, we'll start by measuring it. The length is 32 inches and the width is 13 inches. You can either increase it or reduce it. So we're going to start by sewing the edges, and we're done sewing. You can see the stitch, or you can use a weaving machine, whichever one is compatible for you. So we're turning it inside out now. So we're trying to know the center, which we can be able to tie the knots in the center. So like you fold it into two to know the center. Then now you can see a line in the center. So now we're going to tie it. Very easy. Just hold this part, hold the other part, and make a knot. That's all. Just like this. So after making the knots, you take this end and the other end, join them together, then go to your sewing machine and join them and sew them together. So guys, we are done sewing, as you can see. So take these both ends, just like this, and you join them together, you sew them together. That's it. So when you're done sewing it, so now we want to make the pleats behind. We're going to use a sewing thread and a needle to make the pleat. So keep watching to see how it's being made. It's quite very easy. So for here, I'm typically showing you how to make a knot. It's quite easy. Just roll the thread with your hand and drag it. So now you pinch it. We're making the pleats behind now. So we're turning the back, you pinch it that way, you stitch it, just like you're making a run stitch. You pinch again, you pinch, you sew it, just that way. It's quite very easy, so easy. So I did mine like 3 to 4 times, front, back, just to make it sturdy and for it to be quite nice, so it won't just loosen so quickly. So keep watching to see what I do. It's quite very easy.